Today we're diving into Figma, a powerful cloud-based design tool transforming the way teams collaborate on digital projects. Figma is an industry-standard tool used by designers, developers, and product teams worldwide for creating UI/UX designs, wireframes, and prototypes in real-time collaboration settings. Throughout this video, we'll explore Figma's key features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and available alternatives. Real-time collaboration. Figma excels in real-time collaboration, allowing multiple users to work on the same project simultaneously, fostering seamless teamwork. Prototyping. With Figma, designers can clearly create interactive prototypes, complete with transitions and animations, to visualize user flows. Vector networks. Figma's vector network technology simplifies the creation of complex shapes and illustrations, offering unparalleled flexibility. Auto layout. Figma's auto layout feature streamlines the design process by automatically resizing and aligning elements based on content changes. Developer handoff. Simplify the handoff process with Figma's developer-friendly features, including CSS code generation and asset support. Plugins ecosystem. Extend Figma's capabilities with a vast array of plugins, offering additional functionalities and integrations. Figma offers a tiered pricing structure with three main plans: Starter, for free, Professional at $12 per month, and Organization at $45 per month. The Professional plan includes unlimited projects, version history, and team libraries, while the Organization plan adds advanced features like SSO, user management, and enhanced security. Figma provides a seamless user experience with an intuitive interface and powerful collaboration tools. Its cloud-based nature ensures access from anywhere, promoting remote teamwork and flexibility. Figma excels in real-time collaboration, robust prototyping capabilities, and an extensive plugin ecosystem. Its cloud-based nature ensures easy access and seamless version control. However, some users may find the learning curve steep, especially when transitioning from traditional design tools. Additionally, the pricing may be prohibitive for smaller teams or individuals. While Figma is a leader in collaborative design, alternatives like Adobe XD, Sketch, and InVision offer similar functionalities. However, each tool has its unique strengths and weaknesses, so it's essential to evaluate based on specific project requirements. In conclusion, Figma revolutionizes the design process with its real-time collaboration, robust feature set, and user-friendly interface. Whether you're a solo designer or part of a large organization, Figma streamlines workflows and enhances team productivity. Sign up for Figma today and experience the future of design collaboration. Don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more insightful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.